Hey there, let's go over a new way to visualize kanji. This time it's just a piece of a kanji. It'll be a piece of cake. So today we're going to look at the first, we'll call it a primitive. This is it. It could also look like this. This will be called human legs. So when you see this piece of a kanji, I want you to think of, here got a leg, foot, got another leg, and foot. These are human legs. If this is like a bare leg, maybe it's a little hairy. You can imagine a woman's legs or a man's legs, but they've got to be human. Maybe they've got little toes coming off them. I know these look like claws, but they're human legs. All right, let's clear the canvas and we'll write 3 characters that have human legs inside of them. They'll be today 4C, as in 2C, and beginning. Let's start with our image. So we have here, oh, I got a little mistake on the screen. There we go. Let's go with an image of a mouth. It's a giant mouth. We got a giant mouth here. And inside, coming outside of the mouth, are actually 4 dangling human legs that the giant has just eaten. So here are 4 human legs just dangling out of the giant's huge mouth. And he's got kind of irregular teeth, let's say, here. And the human legs are dangling out. Okay? That's our image. And let's look at the character itself. In green, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got our mouth on the outside, and on the inside are human legs. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's our character for 4. It's very different than the first 3, which were just horizontal lines. Okay, for our next character, we've got our eye up above, and then we're going to stick it on some human legs. Doesn't that happen to you when you're at a concert or somewhere where there's a crowd and you're trying to see, so you use your human legs to stand up above. So let's get our green color here and we'll write that out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got our eye and then our human legs underneath it. Okay, this is to see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can see this time the human legs are a little hooked at the bottom. Usually when they stick outside of a character, you get the hook. When they're on the inside, you don't get so much hooking usually. Okay, and then lastly, we're going to do our image for beginning. So let's say in the beginning of the human race, there was a pair of man legs and a pair of woman legs. And you can see that my woman legs and man legs look about the same. I just drew the man legs straighter. But that symbolizes the beginning for me. It could be biblical or not. Just that you need 2 humans to get another one. So in green, let's do 2 for the number of humans, and then human legs. And that will symbolize the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's a total of 4 strokes. You got 1, 2, 3, 4. And you got the hook on the bottom. So that's using the new piece of a kanji, human legs, to write 4, C, and beginning.